I know it seems like I got a video every 5 minutes about this garden in the last 3 days, but just discovered in my my summer squash and some of the and one of the yellow blooms in particular, there were a lot of little ants. So how do you fix that, and how do you fix it safely? I'll insert the picture here, but I just went ahead and treated the whole garden bed, and that's Diatomaceous Earth, otherwise known as DE. You need to make sure you're using food grade. I'm going to give you a picture of it here in a second. I bought mine on Amazon. It's always good for ants anywhere if you have fire ants in your yard or anything like that, but this will keep them out of your plants as well because it will scratch their exoskeleton and they dry up and die. So it doesn't hurt to put it on the flowers and the leaves. I tried to keep it off as much as I could, but just took it by hand and basically fed the chickens, so to speak, and that should get rid of the ants. If that helped you. If it did, thumbs up. Catch you on the next one.